Hi, and welcome back to another video for Your Soul Evolution. My name is Erin, and I help people to evolve spiritually and to awaken to new perspectives. Recently, someone asked me why I don't have any videos on crystals. For those of you who know me in real life, you're aware that I have had a metaphysical shop where I sell crystals for several years now. So it struck them as odd that I had no videos on crystals or how to use them. So here is my video on crystals. First of all, most crystals come from the earth, so they have a very strong earthy vibration. There are many different crystals for many different purposes, from emotional things to physical things. And I personally have been using crystals a very long time. I wear them every day. I actually have a purple opal that I keep right here where I like to journal and work on things. And I also have a crystal in my pocket, which I just found out in my dryer. So I have a belief that if I find a crystal somewhere, that there must be something about the vibration and energy of that crystal that I need. So instead of just going and putting it back where it was, I put it in my pocket. The most important thing I feel like I can tell you about crystals is that although they are amazing, they're powerful, they can help with so many different things, they are ultimately a tool for you to use with these different physical things or emotional things, whatever you're using them for. And you are activating those crystals within yourself. It is not so much the power of the actual crystal, but it is the power that you are activating in that crystal by your belief that it can do whatever it is for you. So if you are someone who goes to a crystal shop and you see a crystal that can help you with anxiety, and this could be an amethyst or a hematite, both of those are great for anxiety. It's not that the crystal itself has the ability to assist with your anxiety. It is the vibration of that particular crystal, the intent that has been placed upon it, and your belief that it can help you with that. Now, I have personally seen many people come through my shop that they're very skeptical about them, and I have found in my experience over the years that very skeptical people have gotten good results using crystals. But somewhere in their energy space, they have a belief that it's at least possible for that crystal to help them. We have these conscious beliefs, but we also have subconscious beliefs that we don't necessarily have an awareness of. There are those skeptical people out there that have great success with crystals, and it's because they believe in the possibility that it can help them. I do feel that people who are kind of early on the scene to crystals can sometimes get a little too wrapped up in the power of the crystal, and it seems like they kind of lose sight on the fact that they are the one that is actually activating the crystal. We don't realize how powerful we are, and that we are so much more than we realize that we are. We are infinite beings living this temporary human experience, and we have an infinite and unlimited power within us. So although a crystal can be very powerful within itself with its own vibration, it only becomes a vibrational powerhouse, if you will, when it is combined with your energy and your intention. Ultimately, as I said, crystals are simply a tool for you to use along with your own powerful intentions and your own powerful abilities to manifest, to heal yourself. All of those things, those more so come within you. I do highly recommend the use of crystals. As I said, I use them every day for some purpose, whether they're around me physically, They're on me, they are in my pocket, but I use them along with my personal belief that they can and will help me to accomplish whatever I'm setting out to use that particular crystal for. And there are so many crystals out there. There is a crystal for every purpose you can think of. There are crystals to attract love. There are crystals to attract money. There are crystals to detoxify your body and to heal ailments and illnesses that you may have. There are crystals to block out harmful electromagnetic energy that we're surrounded by. There are crystals for weight loss. There are crystals for overall protection from negativity and things like this. And as long as you have a belief that they will work, they will work. That's the thing in life. All truths are true. Whatever you believe is true for you. It may not be true for the next person, but it's true for you. So go out, find your local crystal store, and stock up and use those in combination with your own amazing, infinite, magical energy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know someone who would benefit from it, please share it. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you on the next video.